Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming exactly which GPU and OS you have. This prevents mismatches. Open Device Manager or System Info, write down model and driver version, and make a restore point so you can revert if needed. Once done, close games and background utilities, because drivers update best in a quiet system. Make sure to disable overclocking tools temporarily. They can block installs. This upfront work avoids common errors and speeds the download and installation steps that follow. Next, go to the GPU vendor and pick the exact driver for your card and OS. This ensures compatibility. Choose the latest WHQL or game-ready build unless you need a legacy release, and opt for a clean install if available to remove stale files. Once you download the package, run the installer as administrator so permissions don't block changes. Make sure to follow any vendor prompts to remove old drivers, restart when requested, and watch for optional components you can skip to shorten the process. Finally, complete the install and reboot. A restart applies driver updates and clears drivers in use. After boot, verify the version in Device Manager and run a quick game or benchmark to confirm performance and stability. If you see crashes, black screens, or higher temps, roll back the driver through Device Manager or perform a clean uninstall with the in safe mode before reinstalling. One key tip: keep a known good driver installer handy so you can restore a working state quickly if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.